A very good afternoon to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about nouns. So we already know what is a noun is. No, children? So come on, tell me, what is a noun? Come on. Or what are nouns? Yes, come on, Harriet. Yes. Yes, very good. Naming words are called nouns. Okay, come on, say it once more. What are nouns?
Naming words.
Yes, naming words are called nouns. Nouns are names of, come on, tell me. Nouns are names of people. Okay, person. Come on, keep your hands like this, all of you. Persons, places, animals. Yes, animals. Animals and things. Yes, very good. Come on, let's do it once more. Are you all ready? Yes, get set, go. Yes. Okay, so nouns are names of persons. Come on, keep your hands on. Yes, we are person. Okay, we are all a person. We are all a people. We can call them as people also. So names of persons, places. Come on, show your hands like this. Places, places. Come on, places. Okay, so we do see different places around us. Don't we see it? Yes. And what is that? Animals. And things. And things. Tap on the table. Tap. Yes, very good. I also have a pen here. Yes, and things. Okay. Or else you can tap on the table. Okay, once more we'll do it. Okay. So come on, once more. Nouns are names of. Come on. Come on, say it. Persons. Places. And then what else? What is the third one is? Animals. Then things. Yes. Okay then. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. Okay. Now get ready, okay?
Persons.
Yes. Now all of you look here. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Yes. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are names of people, places, animals, and things. All of you look here. Look at the board, all of you. Nouns are names of persons,
Persons.
places, animals, and things. Why is that? Come on, look at the slide and say it once more. So nouns are names of persons. Come on. Persons. Places. Come on. Places. Animals. No one is doing the action here. I wanted all of you to do the actions. Yes, as we say it, you do the actions. Persons. Come on, let me see you all. I'm looking at you all. Persons. Persons. Otherwise, you will not know it. Persons. Yes. Places. Places. Come on, show the actions. As you say it, you show the action so that it will be in your mind. Okay. So places, animals, and things. Things. Yes, very good, very good. Now, let's move on to one by one. Okay, so these are, now all of you keep your pencils down, look at the slide. Okay, so we have already learned about this, but quickly we'll go one by one. Okay, so these are the few examples of people. Mother is an example for a people. Father, teacher, friend. Okay, so these are all names of people. Okay, all of you look at the slide very carefully. Mother, father, teacher, friend. Okay, all these are the examples of names of people. Now, you have to give me few examples of persons. Okay, are you all ready? This we have done the last time too, but I wanted few names. Let's begin. Then we'll continue with the topic. Okay, so I'll start with Yes, Adana, Sunil, come on, Adana. Unmute it, Adana. Yes, Adana. Come on, give me an example for a person. Yes? Yes? Postman. Yes, it is postman. Yes, very good. Adana. Now let's move on to the next person. Wait. I'll call you. Let me check. Yes, Aldrin. Come on, Aldrin. Yes? Auntie, very good. Yes, aunt. Very good, Aldrin. Well done. Okay, well done. Okay, Anna Evangeline. Come on, Anna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Anna. First, let me call upon all the names which starts with A. Okay, so that I can mark the attendance even. So, Anna, come on. Give me an example for person.
Sister.
Sister, very good. Sister. Okay, well done. Okay, Anna. Well done. Aaron, come on. Aaron, did I call you Aaron? Aaron, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Come on, give me a name. Give me an example for a person. Come on.
Police station.
Yes. Policeman. Okay. Policeman. Policeman. Yes, very good. Yes, I'll call you. Don't worry. Everyone will be getting a chance. Don't get worried about it. Okay. Everyone will be getting a chance. Okay, I'll call you.
Page number. What is the page number?
Page number is 18. Okay. Ayan, come on, Ayan. Give me an example for a person. Come on, Ayan.
Uncle.
Yes, uncle. Very good, Ayan. Uncle. Okay, Adnav, come on, Adnav. Adnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me an example for a person.
Father.
Father, very good. Father. Okay, one more we'll do it. Ashiga. Come on, Ashiga. Give me an example for a person.
Mother.
Yes, mother. Yes.
Daughter.
Yes, daughter. Daughter means daughter, son, father, mother. All these are names of person. Okay, so this we have already discussed in the last session. So you are familiar with it. So all these are, that is postman, aunt, sister, policeman, uncle, father, daughter, mother, and all of them are examples of nurse, doctor, engineer, lawyer. All these are the examples of persons. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. What is the next one? All of you look at this. Places. Okay, so we do see many places around us. All of you please do mute your audios. Come on.
What is the page number?
Page number is 18. All of you please do open to page number 18. All of you. Okay, while ma'am is explaining, I wanted all of you to mute yourselves. All of you mute and listen very, very carefully. Yes, mute it, all of you. Mute, mute. Yes, now listen. So now let's discuss about the places. We do see many places around us. Okay, so these are the few examples for it. Home is a place. Okay, all of you look at it and do listen. Beach is a place. Park is a place, and zoo is also a place. Okay, so these are the examples of names of places. Okay, names of places. So home, beach, park, zoo. So these are the examples of names of places. Okay, now what are we going to do is, we are going to write more examples on names of places. Are you all ready? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then. So I'll be calling you. Anna Evangeline has got the chance. Now let me move on to Basil. Basil, come on, Basil. Unmute it, Basil.
Ma'am, it is Basil.
Okay, Basil. I'm sorry, my dear. Basil, come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Basil.
Trishur.
Okay, Trishur. Trishur is a name of a place, is a name of a district where we reside in. Okay, very good, Basil. Okay. Okay, what is it?
Karati.
Karati, okay. Then let's move on to Daksh is there. Dash is there. Dash. I could not see him. Darshan is not there. Okay, Dhananjay. Dhananjay, come on, Dhananjay. I'm just looking according to the alphabetical order. Okay, Dhananjay, come on. Give me an example for a name of a place. Don't be looking here and there. Dubai. Oh, okay. Dubai. Dubai is the name of a place. Okay, well done, Dhananjay. Okay, then let's move on to, who's the next person? No more D's are there? Wait, I'll call you. Badri, Deepak, come on, you're not there? You're not sitting there? Badri? Yes, come on. Give me an example for a name of a place. What is it? There are many places that you see, no children. You go to a shop, you go to a market, malls, market, hospital, all these are places. Come on, give me some few examples. Yes, my dear, come on. What is it? Beach. Come on, tell me once more. Something you said. What is it? No, you say the word. I'll write the spelling.
Okay.
Come on, say. Yes, Badri, come on. Say a name of a place.
Place.
Example for a place. Don't you visit places, my dear? Don't you go to different places? No. Hospital is a place where you go. Don't you go to a mall?
Yes.
Yes, don't you go to a market? Market is a place. Okay. Yes. Shops, don't you go to? Boutique. Okay. Then, so what do you want me to write? Bank is a place. What is it?
Hospital.
Hospital. Very good example. Hospital. Very good. School is a place. Have you understood? Yes. Library is a place. Okay. Now, Harriet, come on, Harriet.
Yes.
Come on. Give me an example for a name of a place. Harriet. Yes. What is that? Tell me an easier place, no? Yes. Okay, other than that. Any common place you give me?
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. Okay, Delhi. That's okay. So, okay. So, one more example I wanted from Richard. Richard, come on, Richard. Yes, Richard. Give me an example for a name of a place. What is it?
Kitchen.
What is kitchen?
Railway station.
Okay, well done. Railway station. Okay, all these are the examples for names of places. Very good, Richard. Railway station. Very good. Yes. Now let's move on to, well done, Richard. Manha, come on, Manha. Give me an example for a name of a place.
Airport.
Airport. Well, very good. Airport. Yes. Now let's move on to Shivad. Come on, Shivad. Give me an example for a name of a place. Shivad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. What is that? Temple. Temple. Okay. Temple. Very good. Temple. Temple is a place where we go and worship. Okay, it's a worshipping place. Very good. So now we are familiar with, we visit many places around us. Okay, children, temple, mosque, church, all these places. So malls, boutiques, and all these shops, markets, hospitals, whatever, whatnot, everything. So all these are the places we do visit. Okay, children. So now let's move on to animals. All of you, please have a look at this. Okay, here are a few examples of animals. So under animals, we also have birds as well as insects. Okay, understood? Under animals, what do we have? Birds as well as insects. So when you give the names, you can give the names of birds as well as insects too. So come on, all of you look at the examples. Cow, dog, cat, elephant. All these are the examples of animals. Okay. Now you have to give me the names. Now all of you look here. Yes. Let me call upon. Let me see who hasn't got the chance here. Turta, come on, Turta. Give me a name of an animal.
Lion.
Yes, very good. Lion. Yes, very good. Lion. Yes. Now Vedic. Come on, Vedic. Vedic.
Eagle.
Eagle. Yes, very good. Eagle. Very good, Vedic. Now. Ishan. Come on, Ishan. Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Give me an example for animal. What is that?
Peacock.
Yes, very good. Peacock. Peacock is a bird. Yes, very good. Now let's move on to John Paul. Come on, John Paul. John. Yes, John, come on.
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephant. Okay. Elephant. Yes. Elephant. Okay, John. Then let's move on to Muhammad Aidan. Come on, Muhammad Aidan. Muhammad Aidan. Yes, come on, name an animal. Unmuted. Yes, what is it?
Fish.
Fish. Okay. Fish. Very good. Now, Rahat. Come on, Rahat. 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 Come on, name an animal.
Cat.
Yes. Cat. Okay. Yes. Rahat. Okay, then. Sanctum is not here, no. Who hasn't got the chance, please do raise your hands. Aaron, you did not get the chance? Didn't I call you? Yes, I've called you. What about the rest? Okay. Who's that? Ved Pratap, come on. Ved Pratap is there? No? Ved Pratap, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Give me a name of an animal. Come on. Any animal. Yes, what is it? Come on, my dear.
Lion.
Lion. Okay, lion. Yes. All of you, please do mute your audios. Yes. Okay. Harriet, come on, Harriet. Give me a name of an animal, Harriet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. What is it? Huh?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay. So these are the names of animals. Now let's move on to the last thing, that is all about the things. All of you, please have a look at it. Okay, all of you, please have a look at it. These are some of the things. Okay, so a few examples I've given you. Car, bag, clock, book. All of you, please have a look at it. Okay, so these are few examples of names of things. Now what are we going to do is, you have to give me a few examples of it, other than these. Okay, so are you all ready? Okay, I'll start with Badri again. Badri, come on, unmute it. Yes, Badri. Are you there, Badri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, give me an example for a thing. Yes, come on, fast. Give me an example for a thing. You don't know? You look around your house. You can find many things there. Cot, bed, chair, jug, glass. All these are things. Chair, yes. Fan. Many things are there. Where you're sitting, you look around. You will get many things. Okay. Now, Ishan, come on, Ishan.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
My computer.
Computer. Very good. Computer.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
My charge is finished. No, my charge is finishing.
Okay, okay. Then,
Ma'am, Aldrin.
okay, Aldrin, come on.
Phone.
Yes, phone. Okay, whatever the phone is, mobile phone or whatever it is. Okay.
Mama.
Yes, mobile phone. Okay.
Mama.
Anna, come on, tell me. Tell me.
Stop.
What is that?
Stop.
Star.
Stop. T-O-P. Stop.
Top. Okay, T-O-P. Top. Okay. Okay then. Yes, then. Dhananjay, come on, Dhananjay. Come on, give me an example for a thing. Come on. Yes, bed. Bed. What is it? Bed. Okay. Now, Aldrin, come on, give me an example for a thing, Aldrin. Yes, come on, tell me.
Pillow.
Pillow. Very good. Very good. Pillow. Very good. Yes. Now, Basil, come on, Basil. Come on, give me an example for a thing, Basil. Ashiga.
Door.
Door. Yes, door is a thing. What about Basil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, tell me an example.
Television.
Television. Very good. Television. Yes, very good, children. So you have given me many examples for person, place, animals, and things. So now all of you, please do take your workbook in page number 18 and 19. You have similar exercises there. You have to identify the names of person, places, animals, and things. So all of you, please do take that exercise which is there on page number 18, all of you. Yes, we have already completed with this exercise, I think so. Okay, haven't we? All of you check your book. Have we completed with this exercise? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, all of you?
Yes.
Have we completed it? Yes.
Yes.
Now let's move on. So person is over. Now what is the next one? Is all about the?
Animal.
Is all about the? So we have finished. Have we finished with places? Have we finished with places? Yes? Come on, check. All of you take page number 19. Take page number 19. All of you please do take 19.
No.
Take 4. Yes, let's do that. Okay. Yes. All of you take this one. Places. So first we have finished with person, then places. Okay. So who's going to do the first one for me? Arnav, can you read the question? The first question which was there in page number 19. Fourth one. Names of places. Circle the name of places. Come on, read the first question. It is my. Okay. My house. Come on, read it.
My house.
Mm.
My house is big.
Big. Yes. Come on, identify the name of a place there in the sentence.
House.
House. Very good. So what we have to do, we have to circle the house there. All of you please do it. All of you please do it. Have you all finished? Yes. Abil, come on, Abil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the second question, Abil. Yes, Abil.
Hello, मुझे
My uncle, read the question properly. My
Hello?
uncle. Yes, my dear, what is that you're doing there? Are you able to read the question?
my uncle
Lives here. Otherwise, you look into your workbook. We are on page number 19, 4, E, exercise E. Can you see there? Read the second question. That is B. My uncle lives in a. Come on, Abel.
In
What is that? Village. What is it? It is village. My uncle lives in a village. Come on, find out identify the name of a place there.
village.
Yes, what do you write? Come on, tell me the answer once more. Be confident enough to say the answer. What is the answer, my dear Abel?
Village.
Village. Very good. Village is the name of a place here. Very good. John Paul. Come on, John Paul. Yes, John Paul. Come on, read the third question. Read the third question. John Paul. Yes, read the third question. Come on. Yes. Mr. Ram. MR is Mr. Okay, Mr. Ram. Come on.
Ram
Works
in a
hospital.
hospital.
Okay, come on, identify the name of the place there.
Hospital.
Hospital. Very good. Hospital. Very good. Okay. So all of you, please do turn on your videos. All of you, let me see you all doing it. Okay, Ishan, come on, Ishan. Do the next question. D. Basil, are you doing it?
We go to school every day.
We go to school every day. Okay, come on, identify the name of the place there.
School.
School, very good. School. Okay. So let's move on to, I wanted you to all of you do this exercise and complete it. Okay, soon after the session, I'll be sending you the workbook exercises to be done by you. Okay. Adna, Sunil, come on, Adna. Come on, do the next question. Come on, Adna. Read the question E. The children are playing at the come on, read the question. At the beach. Okay, come on, identify the name of the place there. The children are playing at the beach. So it is
Beach.
Beach. Very good. It is beach. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to Tirtha. Tirtha, come on, Tirtha. Come on, read the question F.
I like to
Play
in the
park
my
with my friends. Okay, so it is. Come on, identify the place there. You have to identify the place. Which is the place there? Park. Very good. It is park. Very good. Now, all of you see whether your answers are right. Have you all completed it? Yes. Names of places. Have you all?
Yes.
Yes, your workbook exercises are over. Now, let's move on to, so places are over. What's the third one? What's the third one?
Animals.
Animals. Yes. Now, all of you will move on to the second one, all of you. All of you, please do move on to page number 18. Names of animals. Now, what you have to do? You have to circle the names of animals. Okay. Okay, Harriet. Come on, Harriet. Do the first one for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do it. Read the question.
I have a pet cat.
Okay, come on, identify the animal there.
Cat.
Yes, very good. What we have to do? We have to circle the name of the animal there. That is cat. Very good. Do it.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Harriet. So, Ved, come on, Ved. Ved Pratap, do the second question. Ved.
What is the page number?
Page number is 18.
Okay.
Come on, read.
The jungle.
So the hare and the tortoise. Come on, read the question. Read it once more. I could not hear you. Tortoise. Tortoise. Lived. Lived is lived. Lived in the
jungle.
jungle. Yes. Hare and the tortoise lived in the jungle. Come on, identify the names. Yes. What is it?
Turtle.
Only tortoise? Even hare. Haven't you heard of the story of the hare and the tortoise, my dear? Yes. So even hare and the tortoise. Okay, both of them are animals. Okay. Now, one more, we'll do it. Okay. Arnav has got a chance. John Paul, come on, John Paul. Do the next question. C.
C. The M-O-N-K-E-Y.
So what is it? Monkey.
Monkey as L-O-N-G. Long.
Long.
T-A-I-L.
Tail. Okay, so read the sentence once more.
The monkey has long tail.
Okay, now what you have to do, you have to identify the animal there.
Monkey.
Very good, monkey. So this is how you identify the animal there. Okay, so now we'll do one more. Let me check who has. So I hope all of you are doing it. Yes? Are all of you doing, my dear children? Yes?
I have completed.
Okay.
I have completed.
Okay, my dear. Manha, come on, Manha. Do the last D question, D. Manha.
Yes,
Manha is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, read the question. Question D there.
The.
It's not the peacock. Come on. Yes, peacock.
Peacock.
Peacock
is our
national. Yes, national.
Bird.
And bird, yes. Peacock is a national bird. So, come on, identify the bird in it. Birds. Names of birds there.
Peacock.
Peacock. Okay. And even bird, you have to circle it. Okay. So, we have, see here, we have two more sentences there. So this you have to do it as homework, and we have things also to be done. So that also you'll be doing it as homework for Sunday. So before we meet for the next class, your homework should be completed. And not only that, see here, there is an exercise in page number 17. It is a very simple exercise for you. The words are given there. You have to look at the picture and write the correct name of the picture. Okay. So it is a fish. So look for the words and you have to write it. So this is how you have to do this exercise. Okay. So complete this exercise also. Okay, children. So let's wind up today's session. Have you all enjoyed the session? Yes. Have you also completed? So yes, thank you, my dear. 17, 18, 19 has to be completed. Okay, children. So bye-bye, children. Bye, all of you. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Bye, my dear. Yes, bye.